Every organization is looking for professionals who have moderate domain experience and also have analytics and machine learning skills. Professionals who understand the business, be it retail banking, financial services, healthcare, can implement their analytics and machine learning skills to deliver best results as they understand how business works and how data can deliver meaningful insights for growing the business. There is a huge scarcity of right set of skills, so the demand is very high.
So machine learning and artificial intelligence have the ability to create better outcomes for both business and society. We're already seeing a major transformation in many of the industries. AI has the potential to add close to almost 1 trillion to the Indian economy alone. Currently, there is a huge shortage of skills in this sector, and the demand for machine learning professionals and artificial intelligence professionals will continue to grow.
This is an industry-oriented program which focuses on helping students learn practical application of analytics and AI and make them job ready. 80% of our alumni transition to a data science role after finishing the course. Our alumni get placed in data scientist, analyst, machine learning engineer roles at leading companies and startups like IBM, Genpact, ICICI Bank, Paytm, Oyo, and so on. The program is divided into multiple levels for a structured learning process. We have partnered with Coding Ninja to deliver the best learning experience. You will start your training on the highly interactive Coding Ninja platform, where you will learn the basics through engaging videos from machine learning experts, practice exercises, and TA support. Then, you will move to a more engaged training structure where live lectures will be conducted by our expert faculties along with hands-on projects. We will cover data science and machine learning with Python, where you will learn and practice techniques like linear regression, logistic regression, decision tree, time series, and many more. You will work on interesting projects such as house price prediction, furniture sales forecasting, credit card default prediction. We will cover supervised learning, unsupervised learning, ensemble learning. You will learn about neural networks and dive into deep learning techniques like CNN, RNN, LSTM. The two major tools for deep learning, Keras and TensorFlow, have been covered in the course, and you will get to build deep learning projects using these tools. We will also introduce you to natural language processing and computer vision. These are hot topics in the industry right now. You will work on multiple projects to learn the application of NLP and computer vision. Our guest lectures and mentorship sessions will help you understand what is happening in the AI industry and what you should focus on. There will be competitive hackathons to build your confidence in solving real-world problems. Our extensive career services will help you prepare for job interviews. Our experts will work closely with you to get you prepared. We will run multiple placement drives with our partner companies to help you get placed. This PG program is ideal for graduates, postgraduates, and experienced professionals who want to kickstart their career in analytics and AI. Take charge of your career and enroll now.